Friends, welcome back to another video. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Model Shell 2 Gamepad controller not working problem. So for that, you have to first click on the Windows icon, click on power and then select restart. So you have to restart your PC once. Once your PC restarts, now launch the game and check if controller is working. Next method is to update your controller drivers. For that, you have to first connect your PC and controller. After that, you have to go to the search option, search for a device manager. Here you have to expand human interface devices, select your controller, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for driver. So this will check and update your controller drivers. After that, launch the game and check if controller is working. If it doesn't work, next is to enable or disable Steam input. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, click on controller, and here you have to select enable Steam input and then check if controller is working. If it doesn't work, come back again, select disable Steam input and then check if controller is working now. If this also doesn't work, come back, select use default settings and move to the next method. Next is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. Once the game files are verified, launch the game and check if controller is working. Next is to press Alt plus Enter keys. So many experts suggest to press Alt plus Enter keys as this is one of the best way to resolve such kind of unexpected issue. Next is to clear cache. So for that, go to Steam, click on settings, click on downloads, go below, click on clear cache beside clear download cache. This will clear your local download cache and restart Steam. Confirm it. After that, log into Steam and then launch the game and check if controller is working. If you're using wired plug, then unplug it and again replug it, and after that launch the game and check if controller is working. Also suggested to use big picture mode for the game. So after going to Steam, select your game. Here in the above section, you can see enter big picture mode, click on it. After entering big picture mode, try to play the game and again exit big picture mode. After that, launch the game and check if controller is working or not. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.